Yeah, this is how we're starting off this one. At the abandoned place. Let's see how she goes sideways, right? What do you think? Clutch kick or just go around? Just go around. That's what you call no grip. She don't even want to move from right there. Oh man, I love this car. Alright, pause that and let's go for a little drive in the Hurricane. Because why not? What do you guys think? One more time? Yes, I. Let's go for a little drive in the BRZ, baby girl. Where do I go? I go straight? I think so. BRZ gets grip though, I ain't gonna lie. What if you do a launch? Oh, that's too loud. What if you do a launch? Oh, the light is on green. Oh, it already changed. Damn it. Yes, I. Oh, it's that. Cool. Don't want to be hearing no funny sounds. Yeah, yeah. Shut up. But yeah, just a rundown real quick. 2020 Subaru BRZ performance package. That means it come with like the Brembo brakes, the lighter rims. BRZ. I love this car too much. It's not that loud though. Like if you want to know, you're not gonna hear shit. What do you think? Should I put an exhaust on it? Sometimes I like it low-key because you can do your thing and nobody knows that you're doing your thing. Next tune on the block. Why are you looking at sound? You too dry? Cool, alright. Not wet enough. But yeah, it's just an overall fun car, you know? It has 205 horsepower. So when you slide in it, it's not too much, you know, to pull out. Tires are what, 205 or 215? One of them. I already replaced tires on this car this year. Not planning on doing it for the rest of the year. I mean, it was only $400 still, you know. Not as bad as the Charger. But yeah, I love this car. Manual and everything. It feels good. Even though we don't have any back roads like that in Florida, it still feels good. Oh, they're going first. Cool. See, now you can just cruise 6th gear, 60 miles an hour, music, and just cruising. It's not too bad on the blind spots or anything too. Obviously you do have a blind spot on the seat right here, but I mean it's not too bad. Florida first. Too much big of a puddle right there. You need to just chill. Only in Florida, right? Where we started up. Damn, it's not gonna pick me up. So we're gonna have to wait. Oh, there we go. Thank you, light. A lot of people was asking if it's hard to drive manual. It's not, especially in this car. It's definitely not. The pedals are perfect for like heel and toe, rev match, and all of them things. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it makes it, it's like the car is helping you to make it simpler. See, she gets a lot of grip actually. As he goes sideways, right? Alright, one more sideways action for you guys and then we get this video ended. Oh man. Yes, brother. Yes, bruh. Damn, I missed my ship. That's the first, right? That's the first thing you guys have seen that on a video, right? Me missing a ship. But yeah, this car is absolutely amazing. No doubt about it. And Subaru is finishing like this version of it. They ain't making another one like it. It's gonna have now, I mean if they come out with it for the next generation, it's gonna have like a different, probably a different engine. do you think? Clutch kick? Alright, yeah. That's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.